There are three people in this life you should never ever lie to: yourself, your lawyer, and your doctor. And this could mean giving false information or withholding valuable information that could help your doctor get to an accurate diagnosis for you. Hi, this is Dr. C, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like and subscribe. I hope you're happy here. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for coming back. Now, there are a couple of reasons why a patient might feel the need to lie to their doctors, some of which are guilt and shame, ignorance, memory problems, wanting to give the right answer always, or the fear of being judged. Whatever that reason is, it is never reason enough for you to lie to your doctor, because you could be withholding valuable information that would help your doctor put two and two together in order to get to the right diagnosis for you. Many a times, seeing patients in my personal practice, I have had to dig deep into their history in order to get to sufficient information that would help me with their diagnosis, apart from the symptoms and the signs that they're presenting. So knowing the accurate history of a patient helps us to get to possible reasons why they might be going through what they're going through. And hindrances to that success in diagnosis is usually because of the patient not being forthcoming with us. Now, I understand that we as human beings could have personal biases and prejudices and things that we're not proud of, things that we want to stay buried in our past. But when we come to see a doctor is there to help you. And I believe that if you're going to a doctor, this is someone that you already know and trust and probably has attended to you in the past. Now, I'm going to be touching on each of these reasons for a brief moment so that you can understand how detrimental this can be to your overall health. So if for some reason, the reason why you feel the need to lie to your doctor is because you feel guilt or shame about a particular information that you do not want to divulge, I have found that stating that this is embarrassing can help dissipate the tension. For example, your doctor asks you about your sexual history, for example, and then you say, this is embarrassing, but I kind of like A, B, C, D, E, and F, X, Y, Z years ago, and this and this and this happened, and that and that and that happened. So I feel like giving your doctor a heads up that what you're going to say is kind of embarrassing helps to cushion the impact and helps to reduce the tension that you could feel when talking to your doctor. And of course, your doctor should be a professional person that would not judge you or give some kind of body language or facial expression that would make you comfortable. If they do that, then that's not all right, and you have every right to look for another healthcare provider, right? Now, ignorance, that would be very difficult to tackle because we're human beings and we do not know everything. Someone might be doing something detrimental to themselves and might not know about it. So it's that's why we have channels like this to educate people on right practices and all that. So it would be important for you to educate yourself on matters like this, and that's why I'm here to tell you not to lie to your doctor. You might think that this is just something, oh, it's a white lie, or it doesn't have any impact on the long run, but I am here to tell you that it is detrimental to your health. By lying to your doctor, you are doing yourself a lot of harm than good. Now, the next one would be memory problems. If you have some kind of memory problems, or for example, you do not remember the answer to to the question that your healthcare provider or your doctor is asking, it would be prudent for you to be truthful in that moment and tell them that I honestly do not remember. If possible, I could ask someone, maybe my family member or my friend, who could have the answer to the question being asked, and then you remit the answer to your doctor at a later date. So that would be prudent to do instead of giving any random answer just to move on from the question. So the next reason why patients tend to lie to their doctors would be wanting to give the right answer. Well, if you're going to see the doctor in the first place, it's because things are not all right in paradise. It means there is a problem, and that's why you're there in the first place. So giving the right answers, the perfect answers as perceived by the patient, would suggest that all is well and you have no health issues. But you went to see the doctor in the first place because you have a health problem. So there is no, most times there are no right or wrong answers. The only answer is the truth. If this happens, tell your doctor. If that didn't happen, tell your doctor. So please and please try to always be truthful when you go to see your doctor. And the last reason that I have today would be fear of being judged. Now, I realize that even though doctors are professionals, we also can have personal biases and prejudices, and also it can be due to the personality of the patient that has come to see a doctor. So this goes to both patients and doctors, right? For the part of the patient, you need to understand your rights as a patient, right? No doctor that you're seeing has a right to judge you, no matter how bad or wild your history is or was or has been. No professional healthcare provider has the right to judge you, right? Every human being has their own reality, and as healthcare providers, we're supposed to be there to help them without allowing our personal biases get in the way. So this would mean being cautious of your body language, your facial expression, and your overall treatment towards that patient. And for the patient, if you find out or if you notice that your healthcare provider is being rude or is being judgmental because of a particular information that you divulged to them, you have every right to change healthcare providers, okay? But these reasons should never be reasons for you to lie to your doctor so as not to create problems down the line that could have been easily avoided through effective communication. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this helped. Please like, subscribe, share to others in order to bless someone today. And again, this is Dr. C. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.